Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Surviving and Thriving with Nene. As you know, it's January 21st. We have a massive winter storm hitting the southeast. We could be without power for weeks. So it's important that everybody prepare. And I want to show you guys my Amazon haul of things that I bought to get ready for the ice storm. So my first package. All right, first things up, we got a Nebo 750 lumen flashlight, 3 modes. Comes lanyard is complimentary. One of my favorite features here is, we're expecting between 7 and 8 intruders during the time the power is out. When you're at night, you have your gun, you come around the corner. If you need to do a big shift around the corner, you can quickly drop it and just take charge of your firearm. So this is going to be really something that's essential for the next couple of weeks. All right, next up we have, this is a pink neoprene snow bib for our 1-year-old. And the reason we got pink is it's crucial when you're doing your night hunts for stray dogs, deer, whatever. You want to be able to see your children at night when you shine the 750 lumen. You can see the reflective nature of that. It's just powerful. So really essential stuff here. Next up, let's go to the box. Okay. All right, first up, this is a snow bib for myself from the Perry Ellis portfolio, as you can see. I've always been a big fan of theirs. I got black, again, for the night hunts, just so I can have low visibility. You never know who's patrolling the streets out there when you're hunting for your next meal. So really cool stuff right there. That is the last. Well, no, Ooh. These are Inhuan gloves. I got XL, but buddy, these seem small. Yeah, these aren't gonna do. I really need to be able to grab, intruders or someone coming upon my hunt. I don't want to be able to grab it. The fingers these are gonna be returned. Let's see. Okay, so that solves that. In oh, those are the large ones. I got 2 options. You got large and extra large. These are I believe the XL. Well, I don't like the look of these already. These might be the winner. Waterproof exterior. I like these a lot. All right, that's the first haul. We'll report back on the second haul comms later this afternoon. Thanks, guys. Stay safe.